Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free TikTok coins, no jailbreak or computer needed, guys. So this fully works and it is super insane. So if you do need to get some free TikTok coins, keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So what we're going to do, guys, is go with this website. It's called zestcoupons.com. So let me just go ahead and type that in right here. So this is the website, zestcoupons.com. So once you're on this site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in TikTok. You see it says TikTok coins coupon, so just press see more. Scroll down, press show coupon, unlock code, and now you got unlimited TikTok coins with a promo code, which you can do again and again. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. It's super insane, and you don't want to buy TikTok coins. Trust me, guys, it's not worth it. Because as you can see, guys, when I go to the search bar and type in TikTok, you can see how expensive it is. So as you can see, guys, when we go to the in-app purchases, look how expensive that is. Dang, I ain't paying for no TikTok coins. I'm going to get them for free. So yeah, if you want to get free TikTok coins, guys, all you got to do is just go ahead and go over to the zestcoupons.com. And then once you're there, guys, just go to the search bar and type in TikTok. It should come right up. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. It's super insane. It actually works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and try it out. It's ridiculous, bro, but it is real. So I'm not really in the market. I don't have the money really for this TikTok coins. But now I have free TikTok coins, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. Super insane. It actually works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed the video. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. Fully working free TikTok coins, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. This is super insane, guys, and it actually works. So if you do need to get free TikTok coins, guys, be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'll see you guys in a future video, and peace out, gang.